So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. So the first thing you want to do is go to your admin panel, which will look something like this. So you can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, and stuff like that. You can also see apps as well as settings. So you can see some of these subscriptions will be in your settings under the name plan. So you can see journal, plan, billing, users, stuff like that. So once you click on plan, you can see here plan details. So right now it says it's a trial. So I have 2 days remaining. If I wish to cancel this so-called plan, but right now it's a trial, I'll just need to click on this cancel trial button and it will be bumped out, or rather removed from here. I can also choose a plan by clicking on this. If I choose some different plan and I start to use that subscription, I can also cancel it through here. It will not say cancel trial, it will say cancel subscription, and through there it's going to be removed and you won't be billed the next month, but you will need to pay the previous month that you used it. So basically it won't be refreshed and you will lose the version that you currently own. So it's just by going to settings and clicking on plan. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.